Hey everybody, I'm here to show some best practices while you're setting up your GeoGebra file to send to your Cricut machine. One thing you want to be sure that you do is use always your intersect tool rather than your point tool when you're defining points, so that you always have your points are defined as the intersection of two lines or the intersection of a line and a circle. This is going to ensure that all of your paths are closed, and so you don't end up with any open paths. Another thing that you want to do to make sure you have closed paths is to actually construct your pattern using closed paths. And by closed path here, I mean a polygon. And so when I'm constructing my petal in GeoGebra, I always want to use my polygon tool so that this polygon is a closed path in and of itself. And whether you construct your pattern using reflections or just construct all of them individually, which I don't recommend, or you construct them using a sequence, which is what I'm going to do. So this is point J, poly 2. So I'm typing sequence, rotate, poly 2 by 2 pi I over 9 about j, where I varies from 0 to 8. I have my sequence as just a bunch of closed polygons. So I'm going to hide everything except for that sequence. And I want to make my opacity 0. I want to make sure my line opacity is 100, and it doesn't matter what my line thickness is, but I do want you to notice that we have some slightly rounded corners natively in GeoGebra, and I'm going to show you how to fix that in my next video. But let's export this. Oops, not selected. So I want to export as graphics view as picture, and I want to export as a PDF because that's the native Adobe Illustrator format. And I'm going to save this to my desktop, and there we go. We're ready to go on to the next step.